Next topic, very important topics. We are going to explain about the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. Question asked this topic from this topic. Postulates of Bohr's atomic model of the hydrogen atom and limitations. Now we are going to postulates. First one, electrons in an atom occupy stationary orbits of fixed energies at different distance from the nucleus. Orbit or shell means first we learn definition that one. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a particular path is called shell or orbit. Atom spherical shape, mostly it's hollow. In the center, nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a particular path is called shell. Different distance from the nucleus. Which one is close to the nucleus? That one has least energy. Which one is away from the nucleus? That one has highest energy. Now, in first postulate, electrons in an atom stationary orbits of fixed energies at a different distance from the nucleus. Electrons in an atom occupy stationary orbits. These are stationary orbits. Stationary orbits are designated by K, L, M, N and so on. What is the meaning of stationary orbits or stationary shells means? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a particular path is called shell or orbit. As long as electrons in a particular path, energy is constant. That's why these are called stationary orbits and stationary shells. Now, first postulate. Electrons in an atom occupy stationary states of fixed energies at a different distance from the nucleus, K, L, M, N. And second one, two states, ground state, excited state. What is the meaning of ground state and lower state? Ground state means the lower energy state of the electron is called ground state. The electrons move the higher energy level of the atom is called excited state. Ground state means ground state of the atom is considerable normal form of the electron. The lowest energy, the lower energy of the electron is called ground state. The electrons moves higher energy level. To go to higher energy level is called excited state. First one, when electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state is called energy is observed. When electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state, energy is observed. In second case, when electrons jump from higher energy state to lower energy state, it emits the exam. It emits the energy. Electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state, it absorbs the energy. Electrons jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state, it emits means release the energy. Now, two spectrums. Spectrum is a group of wavelengths. One is absorption spectrum, second one is emission spectrum. Absorption spectrum is formed by absorption of the energy when electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state is called absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum. Emission spectrum is formed by emits the energy from when electrons jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state. Okay, absorption energy means lower energy state to higher energy state. Emission means higher energy state to lower energy state. Next, third one, electrons. The energies of electrons in an atom can have certain values E1, E2, E3. Certain energies values E1, E2, E3, they are quantized. Quantized means energy in the form of packets, that is E equal to hν. Energy is quantized. The states corresponding these energy are called stationary states. The possible values of energy is called energy levels. Once again, the energy of electrons in an atom occupy several or certain values E1, E2, E3. That is the energy is quantized. Energy is quantized. That means in the form of packets. These states corresponding to energy are called stationary states. The possible energy levels are called, values are called energy levels. Next, fourth one, the angular movement of the electron is multiple of integral L, where L equal to mvr. The angular momentum quantum number, the angular momentum is multiple integral of L by 2 pi. L equal to mvr. M equal to mass of the electrons, V equal to velocity of the electron, R equal to radius of the electron, H equal to Planck's constant. The angular momentum of the electron is multiple of integral of L equal to mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. M equal to mass of the electron, V equal to velocity of the electron, R equal to radius of the electron, H equal to Planck constant. The value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule per second. Once again, I repeat the postulates. First one, electrons in an atom occupy stationary states of fixed energy at different distance from the nucleus. Second one, when electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state, it absorbs the energy. When electrons jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state, it emits the energy. Next, the energies of the electrons in an atom occupy certain values E1, E2, E3 and so on, that is quantized. The state corresponding to these energies are called stationary states and the possible values of the energy are called energy levels. The angular momentum of the electron is multiple of integral L by 2 pi, L equal to mvr, angular momentum, mass of the electron, velocity of the electron, radius of the electron. These are the postulates and postulates. Defects. Bohr's model to fail account for the splitting of line spectra. What is the meaning of line spectra? Each element emits the different characteristic color corresponding to discrete wavelength of light is called line spectra. Bohr's model failed to account for the splitting of line spectra. That means the splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field is called Zeeman effect. The splitting of spectral lines in electric field is called Stark effect. Zeeman effect is the splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field is called Zeeman effect. The splitting of spectral lines in electric field is called Stark effect. Next, Bohr-Schmidt model is failed to account for the atomic spectra for more than one electron. Also one failed. It is failed to account for the atomic spectra for the more than one electron. Next, third one. How to quantize it? The angular momentum. How to quantize of the electron? That one is not explained. Was not explained. How is electron quantized? Fourth one. It was not explained for formation of chemical bond. These are the four limitations. One is Bohr's model failed to account for the splitting of line spectra. Second one, Bohr's model failed to account for the atomic spectra for the more than one electron. Third one, it was not explained how is electron quantized. Fourth one, it was not explained the formation of chemical bond. Next, first, Sommerfeld model of an atom. In an attempt to account for the splitting of line spectra, Sommerfeld modified the Bohr's atomic model by adding elliptical orbits. Generally, in mathematics use this shape. Sommerfeld modified Bohr's atomic model by adding elliptical orbits. The first postulate, while returning the first of the Bohr's circular orbit, such as next, one elliptical orbit is added to Bohr's second orbit. Suppose one elliptical orbit is added to Bohr's second orbit. Now, how many elliptical orbits are added Bohr's third orbit? Now, answer is how many elliptical orbits? Two elliptical orbits. Now, how many elliptical orbits are added Bohr's fourth orbit? Answer is 3 elliptical orbits. N equal to 4, L equal to 3, L equal to 2, L equal to 1, L equal to 0. Such that nucleus of atom is one of the principal foci. Foci means intersecting point to point, orbit to orbit, foci. Of these elliptical orbits, intersecting of the elliptical orbits. Once again, while retaining the first of the Bohr's circular orbit, such as one elliptical orbit is added to Bohr's second orbit, two elliptical orbits added to Bohr's third orbit, three elliptical orbits are added to Bohr's fourth orbit. Such as that nucleus of the atom, one of the principal foci of these elliptical orbits. He guided by a fact that in general periodic motion under the central force will be lead to the with force is situated foci are these general under periodic motion, under the influence a central force will lead to a elliptical orbits with a force is situated foci of these elliptical orbits intersecting. Next, failure. Defects of this Sommerfeld. This one also failed to account for the atomic spectra of the atom more than 1 electrons. This one failed. It also failed to account for the atomic spectra of the atom for more than 1 electron. More than 1 electron was not find out. This is the Sommerfeld model of the atom. Simple questions. Do you observe the yellow light in a street lamp? The question is, do you observe the yellow light in street lamps? Sodium vapors produced in the street lamp. Sodium vapors produces in a yellow light in street lamps. These very two important topics. One is Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom. Second one, Sommerfeld model of the atom. Today, homework, these two questions are